Hi guys, Happy New Year. This is actually my first video of the year, so I wanted to start off with something interesting. You can feel the momentum slowly building back up, Bitcoin moving, altcoin waking up, narrative rotating, and traders starting to pay attention again. When condition like this returns, tools that focuses on automation, efficiency, and risk control naturally starts getting more attention. And that is how I came across NovX AI. So instead of jumping straight into the hype, I actually want you guys to understand what this platform actually is doing, how it works, and what problem it's trying to solve. Because in crypto, the difference between noise and value usually shows up in the details. Now, let's check it out. NovX AI positions itself as an AI-powered trading platform designed to analyze markets in real time, identify trends, and automatically execute trade based on data rather than emotion. The idea is simple: remove human hesitation, fear, and overtrading, and let the algorithm handle the execution. Now, let's log into the platform. You're going to have to register first, so we click Launch Application right here. It will open the login page, but tap down here to register. I've already registered, so I'm just gonna log in right here. Guys, there's one thing: before you can even access the dashboard fully, the platform requires you to link your Google Authenticator. This step is mandatory. It's part of their security setup to protect accounts and transactions, and you can't proceed without completing it. You install the Google Authenticator, scan the QR code provided, enter the verification code, and then your account becomes active. Once you are in, the first thing you notice is that everything is structured around automation. You are not manually placing trade. You are choosing how you want the AI to operate and then letting it do the work. After that, you can access the main dashboard. From here, you can see market news, supported assets, and access the AI trading engine. The interface is designed to be straightforward. No clutters, no complex charts everywhere, just core functions. Now, let's talk about the AI trading engine itself. NovX AI offers different trading strategies based on risk preferences and cycle length. You will see options like conservative, stable, balanced, and aggressive. Each one operates on a different time cycle and uses a different approach to market conditions. Shorter cycles aim for smaller, more frequent movements, while longer cycles takes broader trend setup. Now, this is where actually investment setup happens. When you select an option, for example, using USDT, you are taken to the investment screen. Here, you enter the amount you want the AI to trade with. There's a minimum requirement shown on the screen right here, as you can see. And once you input an amount, the system displays an estimated APY. It is important to understand what the number actually means. The APY shows an estimate based on historical performance and strategy design. It is not a promise, it is not guaranteed, and not a fixed return. The AI trades in cycle. At the start of the cycle, the AI begins executing trades, and at the end of the cycle, profits, if any, are calculated and credited right into your account. On the same screen right here, you can see the full trading timeline. It shows when the trade starts, when the profit calculation happens, when earnings are credited, and when the next cycle begins. After one cycle ends, earnings are transferred back to your assets, and the AI continues into the next cycle automatically unless you stop it. There is no manual trading involved here. Once activated, the AI handles execution based on its internal logic and market signals. Another thing worth mentioning is the list of supported assets. NovX AI supports multiple major cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Solana, XRP, Dogecoin, Cardano, SEAL, Litecoin, and even Uniswap. It gives the system flexibility to operate across different market conditions. Now, something very important that you need to know before signing up: using a referral code is compulsory to register on NovX AI. You cannot complete registration without one. During sign up, you see an invitation code field and the system requires it to proceed. Because of that, I'll be leaving my referral link and invitation code in the description and pin it in the comment section. If you decide to check out the platform, you will need it. Inside the app, there is also a referral section where user can invite others and track rewards. This is clearly built into the platform growth structure. Now, let's slow things down for a second and talk realistically. This is an AI trading platform operating in crypto markets. Crypto is volatile, AI can analyze data and execute trades efficiently, but it cannot eliminate risk. Market condition changes, black swan events happen, and no system wins all the time. And that is why I need to say this clearly. I am not a financial advisor, and this video is not a financial advice. Nothing here is a guarantee of profit. The APY figures shown are estimates, not promises. Always do your own research, understand how the platform works, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. This video is for educational purposes only, showing how NovX AI operates and what feature it offers. With that being said, NovX AI is clearly targeting people who want automation, structured trading cycle, and a hand-off approach rather than emotional decision making. Whether that fits your strategy or not, it depends entirely on your own risk tolerance, and goals. If you want to explore it further, you'll find my referral link and code in the description and pinned in the comment section. Make sure to read everything carefully before committing any funds. Thanks for watching. Take your time, stay disciplined, and stay safe in the market. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.